Hello and welcome everyone. Are you ready to learn the secret to making video games and toys that are not just awesome, but that never ever break? Okay, let's dive right in. So let me ask you something. Have you ever been building something super cool, like a Lego car, and right when you need that one special piece, you see it's broken? Ugh, it's the worst feeling, right? So frustrating. Well, that's exactly what it's like when a video game suddenly glitches. We call that a bug. But guess what? Today, we're going to learn the secret recipe. Yup, it's a special plan that creators use to make sure all their games and toys work perfectly every single time. All right, are you ready for step 1 of our secret recipe? The very first and maybe the most important step is checking every single brick. Let's see what that's all about. Now, this step has a big, kind of fancy name, unit testing. But don't you worry, it's actually super simple. A unit is just another word for one tiny part. So unit testing just means we check the smallest, littlest pieces all by themselves before we do anything else. Exactly! It's just like picking up one single Lego brick and looking at it really close. Is it cracked? Is it the right shape? Is it perfect? We have to make sure every single little piece is perfect before we even think about building. See? That's unit testing. Okay, so we've checked all our single bricks and they're all perfect. So what do you think happens next? We start putting them together. It's time for step 2, making the bricks fit. This part also has a fancy name, integration testing. But integration just means putting things together. So now that we know all our little pieces are good, we have to check if they work together. Do they snap into place? Do they actually fit? And look at this, our Lego car is starting to come together. So we ask, do the wheels snap on right? Does the little steering wheel actually fit where it's supposed to go? We're not building the whole car just yet. We're just checking that the different parts connect perfectly. It's all about checking the connections. So our pieces are checked and we know they fit together. You know what that means? It's time to build the whole thing. Is our creation ready for the biggest test yet? Let's find out. The next big question is, does the whole thing work? And this is called system testing. A system is just a way of saying the whole thing, all put together. So now we test our completely finished toy. We check everything all at once to see if our amazing creation works just like we thought it would. Our Lego car is finally built. Hooray! Now, let's test it. Does it roll across the floor? Vroom! Do the little doors open and close? We're playing with the finished car to make sure everything all together works perfectly. This is the super fun part. Okay, the car rolls, the doors open, it works. But wait, there's one final, super duper important test. It is time for the ultimate fun test. Now, this has a really long name, user acceptance testing. Whoa, but all that means is we ask the person who's actually going to play with it, that's the user, if they accept it. In simple words, we just ask a friend, hey, do you like this? Is it fun to play with? So we give our brand new shiny Lego car to a friend and we watch them play with it. Are they smiling? Are they having a good time? If they absolutely love it, then we know we did an awesome job because that's what it's all about, right? Making something that's fun. Wow, that was a lot to learn, but don't you worry. Here's a super cheat sheet to help you remember it all. Look how simple this makes it. First, we check one brick. Then we check 2 bricks connected. Next, we check the whole car. And finally, we check for a happy person playing with it. See? You're an expert now. So now you know the secret. You have the recipe. This is your 4-step super plan for making anything awesome. Let's say it all together one last time. You ready? Step 1, check one brick. Step 2, check how the bricks connect. Step 3, check the whole car. And step 4, ask a friend if it's fun. You got it. Okay, so what are the most important things to remember from today? Here are our 3 big ideas. 1, always check the tiny parts first. 2, then check how they all fit together. And 3, finally, check the whole thing and most importantly, make sure it's fun. Before you go, I have one last super cool fun fact for you. Do you know why we call a problem in a computer a bug? Because the very first computer bug was a real bug. It was a moth that got stuck inside a giant computer way back in 1947. Isn't that amazing? Thanks for learning with me today, and now you know how to make awesome things that never break.